We guide you through how to pay Payoneer payment request. First, open the email or notification containing the payment request and click the payment link provided by the Payoneer. Once the payment page loads, review the payment details carefully, including the recipient name, amount, and any applicable fees. Next, choose your preferred payment method such as credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or local payment option if available in your country. Enter the required payment information accurately, then double-check all the details before proceeding. After that, click the Pay or Submit button to complete the transaction, depending on your selected payment method. You may be asked to verify the payment through a security code or banking confirmation process. Once the payment is successful process, you will receive a confirmation message and in most cases, a confirmation email for your records.